Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rahul Rana from RP Nursing Home, Gharonda. Today I am talking about diabetes reversal program by Ayurveda, Holistic Medicine and Therapy. India first complete Ayurvedic diabetes reversal program, complete diabetic reversal in 6 months or less. After starting Ayurvedic and Panchkarma Center in Gharonda, district Karnal and Haryana, we noticed there was a sudden increase in diabetic patient. There was due to the increase of diabetes patient worldwide and especially in India. In India, the number was so high that India was named the diabetic capital of the world. There was a 3% rise in the number of deaths due to diabetes in 2019. Although there was tremendous research to find medicine for diabetic cure, there was no promising result. India, with this concern in mind, we started to IMO more practical and something comprehensive that people will relate to easily follow and reverse diabetes for lifelong. So we come up with our own diabetes reversal program, Ayush Ayurved Diabetes Help and Reversal, Samarth, which is named Samarth Ayurveda, Effective Reversal Diabetes. Ayurveda diabetes treatment. Why Samarth Ayurveda? How are we able to treat diabetes completely? First of all, you should understand what is diabetes and correlate to Ayurveda. Diabetes mellitus, also known as diabetes, is a metabolic disease which causes elevation in blood glucose level. The hormones insulin transfer sugar from the blood to the cells, which is stored and used for energy supply. In diabetes condition, the body either does not produce insulin adequately or is not able to use the produced insulin effectively. If diabetes is left untreated, it may cause damage to nerve, eyes, kidney and other organs. Madhumeh. Madhumeh is the term for diabetes in Ayurveda, which means sweet urine. The manifestation of diabetes is through thirst or urination according to Ayurveda. Kapha dosa is responsible for diabetes, as cough disorder are related to obesity and it's triggered with our consumption of sweet food or increase in ingestion of cough impacting food, which there is intake of such food, the poor pancreatic function increase, cough in the stomach which lead to turbidity and frequent urination. Further, diabetes mellitus is caused due to accumulation of Vata dosa. Vata dosa accumulates in the large intestine and travel to the pancreas, which hamper this functioning. Sometimes Pitta dosa also lead to diabetes. This is when Pitta get accumulated in the small intestine before moving to the liver and may cause damage to pancreas. As the main constituent of Pitta is Agni, according to Ayurveda, it burns out pancreas leading to diabetes. If the above things are taken into consideration, the treatment of diabetes in Ayurveda start with proper cleansing of the body and balancing of dosa. The treatment is based on a person body composition and which dosa is dominant. The number, the treatment like dhara, the person body composition and which dosa is dominant. The treatment like dhara, udvartanam, telam, etc. are followed to reverse diabetes. The treatment also include Panchkarma and Kerala procedure to address the root cause of disease. We have seen many patients successfully reversing diabetes and now living a healthy life. Unlike other treatment procedure that jump straight to symptom management, we address the root cause of the disease. Our treatment for diabetes has proved to achieve a near cure and symptom-free state. We focus on diet, use of potent herbs, medication, massage with herbal oils and yoga. Their classical Ayurveda practice have proven and so sustained result in our diabetes treatment. So मैं इन सभी चीज़ों को आपको डीपली इसलिए ही बता रहा हूँ कि डायबिटीज़ एक हवा नहीं है, डायबिटीज़ को आप रिवर्स कर सकते हैं विद आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से। आप मैनेज कर रहे हैं अभी तक दवाइयों के माध्यम से। मैं एलोपैथी का विरोध में नहीं हूँ, जहाँ हमें ज़रूरत जिस पैसे की हो हमें लेनी चाहिए, लेकिन जहाँ हमें बीमारी के कोज़ को ख़त्म करने की, बीमारी का कोज़ को ढूंढ के उस बीमारी का कंप्लीट क्योर करने की बात आए, तो क्यों ना हम अपनी जो चिकित्सा पद्धति है, इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन सिस्टम है, उसका उपयोग करके हम उसको रिवर्स क्यों नहीं कर सकते। मैंने बहुत सारे पेशेंटों को डायबिटीज़ रिवर्स किया है, और जो पेशेंट मैंने रिवर्स किया है विदिन कुछ वैसे हम 6 मंथ कहते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई 10 साल से दवाई खा रहा है डायबिटीज़ की, अगर हम 6 मंथ में भी उसको रिवर्स कर पाते हैं तो ये भी हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि डायबिटीज़ के कॉम्प्लिकेशन बहुत ही खतरनाक होते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया। तो थैंक यू सो मच। आप मुझसे मेरे नीचे दिखाए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं, हमें ईमेल कर सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे, हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं फ़ोन नंबर पे, और मुझसे डायरेक्ट अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं, मुझे दिखा सकते हैं, या ऑनलाइन अपना जो भी आपका रिकॉर्ड है, जो आपकी पहली मेडिसिन चल रही है वो दिखा सकते हैं, और एक आयुर्वेद का बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं। इसी के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूं। आपने मुझे सुना, और आयुर्वेद के बारे में और जानने की ज़रूरत हो तो आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।